Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you'll get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time, and don't forget to comment me down which room decor you would like. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration, the black color wall, the bed and the lights. It's looking very beautiful. This one also very luxury room decoration. You can see the lights and all on the floor, the table. It's looking very beautiful, very good decoration. This one also you can see the black color theme bed, the wall and all. Very beautiful decoration and all. It's looking very beautiful. The lights, the lamp. This one also very beautiful. You can see the roof. You can see beautiful lights, the decoration. This one also the beautiful design, the wall, the mirrors and all, and the floor wooden theme, beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the black color wall and all, and the floor, the silver color floor, the beautiful decoration. This one also you can see the blue color theme bed. You can see the beautiful bed and the floor, the mirror, the windows and the lights. This also you can see the mirror, the roof. You can see it is not a good roof, but it is looking very beautiful. This also you can see the wall decoration, beautiful decoration, the side mirror. Maybe outside it's raining, you can see the mirror, window. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the floor and the wall and the bed, beautiful. You can in this one you can keep your dress and all, and the mirror you can see, and the floor and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the floor, beautiful lights and all, and the mirror, window and the up lights. This one also you can see the ring lights, mirror you can see, and the lamp and all, and the floor white color shining. The roof you can see beautiful. This also you can see the floor and the roof. You can see the lights and the all. It's looking very good. This also you can see the pink color chair, sofas and the floor. You can see the mirror, and you can see keep clothes and all. This one you can the roof you can. It is very beautiful roof, the decoration, the design. It's a modern room. This one also VIP room. The roof, beautiful decoration of roof, the floor shining, the side. This one also a luxury room decor, the roof, beautiful lights and all, and the lamp, the floor wooden theme, the table and all. This one also very beautiful. I hope you like this video. If yes, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first, and which room decor you like, comment me down. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.